Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today we're going to be touring this model, the Sausalito. This one is 2,138 square feet. The name of this community is called Ravenna at Skye Canyon Master Plan Community out here in the North Las Vegas Valley. What you're going to notice about this one is the garage is in the back of the house. So let's get right into this tour here. So this one, you have an option for 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. The starting price on this one is $348,490. Wow. Okay. So we got stucco. Concrete stucco. Look at this. Got the pavers. Now let's go through here. You got the 8-foot door. You got the 20 by 20 tile as we enter the property. Now you do have an option for the 3 to 4 bedrooms, but the 4th bedroom you do have an option to turn that into a loft. So let's take a look at what we got here in the kitchen. You got a nice island. You got the front apron, stainless steel, Whirlpool appliances. Wow, I do definitely love this 20 by 20 tile here. You got the white cabinets. You got the nice quartz countertops. Alright, let's see. We've got the pantry here. You have a total of 120 lots. If you guys have not had a chance to check out this clubhouse, definitely got to check out the clubhouse. I'll see if I can add the link in the description below. I did a full video tour of the clubhouse too as well. You have the stainless steel appliances, Whirlpool. I'm sure the washer and dryer and the refrigerator are not included. This looks like your standard cabinets here. Now the builder is Beazer Homes. Now this is my first time touring their product. Let's take a look at the living room here. Definitely a decent sized living room. Okay. Get you guys on a different angle here. Man, they're playing that Christmas music. I'm such a Grinch. Oh, this is pretty cool. They utilize this space right here to add the bathroom. Okay. Here's the garage. So we're going to check out the garage here. Wow. You can't really see, but this is a large garage. It shows you what their size are in the garage. 23 feet. I wish there was enough light, but it doesn't give you light. Oh well. So we have this side here. Little courtyard. I'm sure this will all be dirt. You got like some standard vinyl slides here. All this definitely would be an upgrade. Alright. Now I noticed in this neighborhood there's a lot of kids that are running around. And you have the monopool man driving around this neighborhood. If you guys don't know who the monopool man is, it's a guy that drives around with all the snacks. Ooh, this is nice and plush on the carpet here. Take a look at this. So all this is all open railing, right? This would be your 4th bedroom if you wanted to do a 4th. I do love the fact that it is a loft. Master here is on the right here. Let's go check a look at this. I said let's go check a look at this. I was going to say let's go check and take a look at this. There's the strip over there. You got 8-foot ceilings. orange peel texture. 6 inches on the baseboards. Nice and plush carpet padding. Coming into the master walk-in closet. It's not that large. Now let's take a look at the bathroom here. So you have 2 configurations that you can do. I'll show you the configurations here in a second. So this is the one that we are in right here. Or then here is the other one. Let me know what you guys think. The first one, which is this model right here. Or would you go for the second one? Water closet. So here's a second walk-in closet. Not bad. Okay. So in this one, it looks like they have the standard fiberglass drain pan, which I don't really care too much about. Then they did the granite, which is nice, which is an upgrade, with the frosted glass. Now let's take a look at the sinks. You have an upgrade here on the granite countertops. Looks really nice for sure. That looks like just the standard cabinets. Alright, you got your thermostat right here. Again, your loft. Come around here, kind of give you a different perspective. You know that this is probably not an upgrade. I mean, that is an upgrade, I'm sorry. Okay. Let's go take a look at the laundry room and the bathroom here. The other 2 rooms. The laundry room is off to the right. Washer and dry, I believe, is not included. This is a gas. Okay, the shelves. Okay. Cool, cool. Attic access right above us. Coming across the hallway here. Right into the bathroom. Got 12 by 24 on the tile. Toilet right there. You got your tub shower combo with the shower rod. Alright. Coming into the 3rd bedroom. You got a twin-size bed here. On this one, you got 2 LED lights and a ceiling fan. Your walk-in closet. Okay, cool. Nice. Now this room is only like a 10 by 10. It's not that large whatsoever. Love the fact that there is at least a transfer grill here. You have your linen closet. This is a kind of a cute room. For like my baby little girl. What up, champ? If you're watching this, Uncle loves you, sweetie. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Alright. I mean, this home is pretty basic. I'm going to say this is more for entry-level home. Well, that's from my perspective anyway. But, I mean, the asking price on here or the starting price at, you know, $348,490. I mean, that ain't no entry-level price, though. That's a lot of money, man. That's for sure. We're about to hit 190,000 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys, like, seriously, from the bottom of my heart. I really, really, really appreciate each and every one of you guys, seriously. I wish you guys nothing but the best, nothing but blessings. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.